Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Hey babes, if you're new here, welcome, and if you have been here before, welcome back. My name is Keshante Chantel. As you can see in the description of this video, we are doing this install on this fabulous wig. So I'm gonna get you right. I'm gonna tell you my secrets. I'm gonna tell you how much this wig costs and just basically how to install it. There are tons of videos on how to do an install, but this one was very quick and easy for somebody that is just a beginner, because it took me less than 30 minutes to install this wig. Like, honestly, it was like not hard at all. So if that is something that you are interested in, then please stick around and we're gonna jump straight into this install. All right guys, so this is the wig that I got. It's by a brand called Sensational. This is their Lace natural density wig. The style of the wig is called Letitia, and I got it in a shade number 2, which is basically a medium brown. So this is a 13x6 natural density. So technically you don't have to pluck it. So the front part has an extra large density area where the lace is. It's supposed to be able to fit, you know, most people's heads. This wig has ear-to-ear HD lace with combs, and it's supposed to be undetectable. So we're gonna see. I have not taken it out the packet. I'm excited. It seems pretty long, but you know, you never know. First thing I noticed taking it out the packet is it has like these swivel baby hairs. That ain't me. Like, I like baby hairs, but I don't like to do too much. The hair just basically has like this is a very pretty curl pattern. This is a synthetic wig. I mean, it was only $39, but I like the fact that the lace is supposed to be unclockable. So yeah. Now, it's been a long time. Oh, that's nice. Okay. Undetectable. It's been a while since I've actually worn a wig. I do like the fact that if your head is smaller, this band, you could tighten it. So we're going to go ahead and get started with the install process. I did purchase this Bold Hold liquid glue from Amazon, and I've never used this one before. I have used. So this is the Bold Hold that I typically use. It's just basically, I feel like it's a latex glue. It's not supposed to be any odor. My biggest thing with this one is if I sweat, the wig is coming off. Like, this is not waterproof. Actually, the next day, like if I wear makeup, it does have like this gummy texture, so I end up having to take the wig off and clean it off. I don't like that glue. Some people do. It's not a favorite of mine. So what I want to do, so there's a couple of other things that I'm going to use for this install. One, I've got me 4 large bobby pins. Just basically an edge brush. It doesn't have to be anything specific. I got a Denman because my hair is naturally curly, and it's just, you'll see. A brush, a comb, just basically a clip for my hair. And then of course I am going to put my hair under a stocking cap. Now, I'm not going to do the lace melt method because I'm probably going to take this wig off tonight. Because I haven't washed it or anything, it's doing its own thing. But I'm going to pull that all the way to the back of my head, and I'm going to get it as tight as possible. At this point, I just separate the hair as best as I can. I'm going to take my Denman and I'm going to start from the ends and work my way to the top. Now, I am going to put a little bit of water on my hair, so I'll be right back. Now, I tried not to saturate it too much because, of course, we still want the glue to be able to stick. I'm just brushing it to the back, and again, just trying to get that hair as flat to the back as possible. I do not use rubber bands in my hands. I get these little I don't know, it's almost like stocking material, but I get them from the hair store. They're only $1. Rubber bands will make your hair pop off. All right, so now that I have gotten my hair into 2 ponytails, all I'm gonna do is just take it, twist it, and pin it. So I'm just gonna take this, twist it, but I'm gonna pin this one in, like, going towards this direction, and this one going towards that direction. All right, so when you're done, it should look something like that. And then I'm gonna take my stocking cap and just put it on my head. Now the biggest thing is, I want to know, do I need to put foundation on this lace? I don't really have to. I don't really have to. First thing that I notice about this wig, I do like the way that it looks, right? But I have a big head. So as you can see, like, whereas this might go all the way down for someone else, it doesn't necessarily do that ear to ear thing for me. That's really, really pretty. Like, that is really, really pretty. But I'm just not feeling, let's see. I'm not feeling the wig cap, because you guys, I can see it. Like, it might be masked a little bit better here, but like, I can see it, and so I don't like that. So I'm gonna take the wig cap off. All right, so I got me some flyaways in the front. What I'm gonna do is just spray my hair down in the front with, I'm gonna spray my hair down in the front with some hairspray and just make sure all those flyaways are smoothed down. And of course, like, if you're wearing a wig cap, you won't even have to do all this. But the thing is, I did not like the way the wig cap looked, so we're not doing it. And this is the generic Kenra spray. I got this from Sally's. So it's a Kenra volume spray. Alright, y'all. So I did end up putting the wig cap back on. I don't know. So I am going to start off by cutting the lace. So I'm gonna snip a little bit of the lace in the front. And I'm just gonna go around the hairline. And I'm not cutting straight across, I'm just cutting where my hair is, where my natural hairline is. Just so when it lays properly. Alright, so this is what we cut off of the lace on this side, and we're gonna go to this side and just do the same thing. Alright, so as you can see, like, when I'm cutting, I'm weaving in and out, because you don't want to do just like a straight blunt cut across. That would just look really crazy. And nobody's hairline is like super straight unless you're from the Middle East, because the girls be having the hairline. Alright, so what I do like about this liquid gold is the instructions on how to use it is on the back. They also have their YouTube channel, so if you have any questions, I'm pretty sure there's tons of videos on how to melt lace. I don't like the way that it smells. It smells like nail glue, but from my understanding, it doesn't perform like that. So from my understanding, it doesn't like get crunchy or hold like nail glue or anything. So the best thing that I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna fold this back a little bit, and they say to start in sections, like just put a little bit down Maybe I should get a blow dryer for this. I don't care about it getting on the front part of my hair, because again, I can go back and just kind of wash my hair if I don't like it. And then I'm going to take this part and just kind of pull it down. All right, and I have my T3 blow dryer. Okay, so that's starting. It's starting to do a little something. So you just the best thing to do with this is just to move into sections. So I'm gonna go in and just do this section. Start off with small amounts. So this is what that lace melt is looking like on this side. The only thing that you can honestly really see is like the film from the bowl hold where there is no lace. So we're gonna go and we're gonna clean that up too. All right guys, so this is what it is giving. So when you use your blow dryer, because this is a synthetic wig, I'd probably recommend not using such high heat with it. But I am going to take my edge scarf and I'm going to tie this down, because even though this lace is melted, baby, I want to make sure that it is just extra secure. So we're going to go in and we're going to use our edge scarf and we're going to tie this down even more, as tight as possible. The good thing is because this wig is already curled, so I don't have to do any styling with it. So some other information about this wig is, if you don't necessarily like this color, it does come in other colors. So if you want it in blonde, because you're the blonde bomber, it comes in a 613. It comes in an auburn. It comes in a highlighted brown. It comes in burgundy, a 1B and a 27. So yeah. Of course, you already know. I'm gonna link this wig in the description section for you if you want to order it. So I will be back with the final look. Come on, hair. All right, we're gonna move this to the bathroom so you guys can see like how long the curls are and just get like a overall better feel of what this hair is giving. All right, guys. So this is the final look of this hair. This is what it's giving. Very long. If I could say roughly, this is probably about a good 24 to 26 inches, just because of how long it is. It is very versatile. So you can part it down the middle. It actually comes parted down the middle, but if you wanted to wear it to the side, you could. So I do like the versatility of this wig. Couple things that I would probably say that I would do different that I didn't do. Number one, of course, I did do the wig cap. I put it on, right? But I didn't glue it down. I didn't do the melted cap method, and it is what it is. Like, the wig still looks good, but I probably would have gone in and just kind of use some foundation or concealer or even powder to just kind of tint the lace. I'm looking for a really good lace tint, because I know before Eben, the girlies was using Eben, but nobody's using Eben right now. And so I need a good alternative. So if you are a wearer of wigs, please let me know. Drop one in the comment section. Maybe I can check that one out, so the next time I do the install, I can use it. But the hair is just giving. It's really pretty. The curls are beautiful. The texture of this bad boy is just, it's giving African princess. Yeah. So thank you for watching this install. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna link the wig, and I'm gonna link the wig for you, so don't worry. $49, and this is what you are getting. this wig was like $49, and that was including like the shipping. So honestly, this is not bad. Like, this hair is just everything. So again, if you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, join my beautiful online family, and I will see you guys in my next video.